Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Picanha, also known as the top sirloin cap, is a fantastic cut of beef, famous for its incredible flavor. What truly sets it apart is that generous fat cap, which renders down beautifully, adding so much richness and moisture as it cooks. It's a true staple in Brazilian steakhouses, beloved for its juicy, tender texture. If you haven't tried it, you're in for a real treat. First, gently score the fat cap in a crosshatch pattern, making sure not to cut too deep into the meat itself. This helps the fat render more efficiently and allows seasoning to penetrate. Next, season your picanha generously, typically with just coarse salt and a good amount of fresh black pepper. Let it sit out at room temperature for about an hour before it hits the heat, ensuring a more even cook throughout. For a perfect picanha, begin by searing the fat cap side down on high heat until it's beautifully golden and crispy. Then, quickly sear the other sides for a nice crust. Move your picanha to indirect heat or a lower temperature. Continue cooking it until it reaches your preferred doneness, aiming for a juicy medium rare at about 130 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your picanha is cooked, the most important next step is to let it rest. Give it a good 10 to 15 minutes off the heat. This allows all those delicious juices to redistribute throughout the meat, making it incredibly tender. When you're ready to slice, remember to always cut against the grain. This shortens the muscle fibers, giving you the most tender, melt-in-your-mouth experience possible. Picanha is fantastic served simply. A fresh chimichurri sauce or a light vinaigrette perfectly complements its rich flavor. In Brazil, it's often enjoyed with sides like farofa, which is toasted cassava flour, or a vibrant fresh salsa. Serve it warm, allowing everyone to savor that crispy fat cap and the incredibly juicy, tender meat. It's a meal that truly celebrates simple, delicious flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.